Changing your default shipping address on Amazon sounds trivial, but it's one of those odd life admin tasks that can turn into a 12-minute hunt through obscure menus. And if you're anything like me, you've probably shipped one too many orders to your old place before. First things first, grab your phone or get on your laptop. Amazon's website and their app are both notorious for hiding settings in plain sight. I'll show you both routes, because unless you want to end up with dog treats mailed to your ex, you need the quickest path. On the desktop, hover over Accounts and Lists at the top right. You'll get that drop-down box with like 30 separate links, most of which you never use. Click Your Addresses. In the Amazon mobile app, tap those 3 lines, the hamburger icon, scroll to find your account, then tap Your Addresses. Now, you'll see your address book. This can get messy fast if you've lived in a few places. My Portland address book might as well be a novel at this point, with every apartment and Airbnb from the past 3 years. Find the address you want to make your new default and check if the default tag is next to it. If not, there should be a button or option that says Set as Default. Click or tap that. You'll see a little check mark or a default label pop up. Pro tip: double-check the zip code. Amazon sometimes autofills addresses weirdly, and one wrong digit means your package gets an accidental road trip. It's the #1 reason people write angry reviews that make 0 sense to customer service. Here's where Amazon can get trickier than it needs to be. If you're trying to add a totally new address, hit Add Address at the top. Fill in the details, make sure everything's spelled right, and at the end, tick the box that says Set as Default. Easy to miss if you're in a hurry. If you split your Amazon shopping between family, office, and your main address, you can still keep all those saved. Only the default will autofill at checkout, but you can pick any address during the order process. Never forget that, it saves so much hassle later. People run into this pain point a lot. You change your default on the app, but it doesn't seem to stick when using the website. This is almost always a cache issue. Log out and back in, and it'll sync up about 99% of the time. Another funny one, if you have subscriptions or recurring deliveries, changing your default address does not update those. You have to go into your Subscribe and Save or Manage Subscriptions area and manually edit shipping for each. Learned that the hard way with cat litter. One thing Amazon is actually good at is the confirmation emails. After you change the default, look for an instant email confirming the change. If you don't see it, it's worth signing out and logging back in to be sure it's all updated. If you're on Prime and worried about delivery windows, changing your default address can sometimes alter your available Prime delivery options. Sometimes you gain a new same-day window. Sometimes you lose it. Amazon loves to play delivery roulette. Last little hack I found. If you move a lot or travel, set your default to a nearby Amazon locker until you're settled. That way, you'll always have a backup option that isn't your old apartment. Or worse, your parents' house 4 states away.